Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So as a lot of you know that I'm going to unbox a couple of phones in the next few days. So here I am, I'm going to unbox the iPhoneXR today. That's supposed to be the cheapest iPhone launched in 2018. Now we'll see how the phone is and whether it justifies the price tag that it's sold for. Now the base variant that comes with 64 gigabytes of internal storage goes out for about 75,900. However, I have the 128 gigabytes variant that we got for about 81,900. Now you have a couple of offers that may benefit you. So we have an offer with Citibank card where you get 10% cash back, and you have an offer with Paytm where you get 15,000 rupees cash back. So please go ahead and check the websites for more details. So without any further ado, let's quickly get started and unbox the phone. Alright, so let's quickly open the box. So I have the coral color here for this phone. Now a lot of people call it the XR, a lot of people call this as the 10R, whatever you choose to. So we have the regular leaflets, the instruction manual. Let's keep this aside, and that's the phone. We quickly take this off, and that's the coral color. Oh, it's really beautiful, I must say. Now you have the anodized aluminium frame here to the side that matches the color of the phone, and that's really wonderful. I love this. I guess the red would also look very beautiful, but this is it. So let's keep this aside for now. Now we get the power brick. We also get the earphones and the power cable. So let's quickly keep everything aside and see the phone. So there you go, and this is the phone. So I must say this is really beautiful. In terms of size, it sits right between the 10s and the 10s Max. So this has a 6.1 inch liquid retina display. Well, that's nothing but an LCD display. So it's really nice, bright, and it comes with a resolution of 1792 by 828. So that's a pixel density of about 326. Now a lot of people said that in 2018, I mean, that's just not it. We can get far much better panel with better pixel density, but I wonder, no one said anything when the same pixel density was present in the iPhone 8. So nothing much. I'm not sure what went wrong with the critics here. I don't see any reason why I wouldn't like the display. It's really nice. The colors pop up really well, and that's about it. I am really happy with this, though I'm sure Apple could have done much better. But anyways, let's go ahead. Now there are a couple of things here that could be a deal breaker for some people. Now you could see that here you go. You could see that the bezels are quite thick compared to the iPhone 10 or the 10s. So that's something that's quite visible here. But that's okay. I mean, that's something that you will get used as few days. So that's okay with me. Apart from that, there's no 3D touch. So people who use it may feel that it's a deal breaker, but nothing that I think could let me down, to be very honest. I just love this phone. So here, let's quickly check this. You have the power button. At the back you have the flash, the camera module, the iPhone branding, the Apple logo there. At the bottom you have the speaker grills and the charging point. You have the power, the volume rocker, and the slider here. That's about it. Now internally it comes with 3 gigabytes of RAM, and it has an okay battery. That's about 2942 mAh. However, I've heard that the battery life is pretty good, so I am very sure that this should be absolutely fine for a day of use, or maybe a little more if you're a light user. So that's it, and let's quickly check a couple of things here. The iPhone XR gets a single 12 megapixel camera at the back with f1.8 aperture. It also gets optical image stabilization. Portrait mode is brilliant as it's taken with the primary camera and is wide angle. Now you can't take portrait shots of non-human objects. 4K videos can be shot at 24, 30 and 60 frames per second, and 1080p videos can be taken at 30, 60, 120 and 240 frames per second. In the front, it gets a 7 megapixel camera with f2.2 aperture. It also gets smart HDR feature and can record videos at 1080p at 60 frames per second. Guys, thank you very much for watching the video. For all the future videos, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Stay tuned for all the interesting stuff that are expected in the next few days. Take care. Bye-bye.